Good Monday morning, everybody. Back here at World Headquarters. It's March. It's still cold outside. The frost laws went on today. So last year they didn't go on at all because we didn't really have any frost. This year we definitely have some frost. The ground is cold and frozen. So usually mid-April is when the weight restrictions end up coming off and we can get back to work and actually start hauling some concrete. So in the meantime, Freightliner, yesterday, Sunday, I pulled off the air filter, the air dryer filter, the fuel filter, the oil filter, the fuel water separator, drained all the oil out of this thing. We got the batteries charged up. I got new bolts in the sideboards on both sides because the old bolts were broke off in there. So right now I'm gonna run and grab filters for this thing. I'm gonna get back here, get all the maintenance done on it. If the weather stays decent today, I'm gonna get the plow outside, get that power washed up. I'm gonna get this thing outside, get it power washed up, then get it back in here. The interior is already cleaned. We will wash this thing, wax it, get it looking sharp. And this is the last piece of equipment that I had to go through. So we'll be good to go there. Picked up a couple more jobs this past week. So things are looking like they're going to be busy for springtime. As soon as the weather gets nice here in Michigan, people start calling. The first time they go out and step in that mud, they're thinking about concrete. They're thinking about sidewalks, driveways, porches, patios, all that good stuff. So stay tuned, everybody. The season opener is just around the corner, and we'll go from there. Good Friday morning, YouTube. We are here at World Headquarters. I finally got all the parts. We got the dump truck fixed. So we've got our air dryer filter changed. We've got our air filter changed. We've got our oil and filter changed. We've got our fuel and water separator changed. We've got our fuel filter itself changed. We've got our tank full. We've got our def full. I'm gonna get this thing outside right now. Gonna power wash up the plow because hopefully it's done snowing. We're gonna get all the major mud power washed off this thing, and then we are gonna power wash it, bring it inside, wash it, let it dry, and get this thing hopefully waxed up this weekend if all goes well, and we will be ready. Just came back from bidding a job, so we've got a couple more irons in the fire. The season looks like it's going to be very busy, so lots of new stuff coming up. Right now it's the first week of March, so hopefully a month from now, hopefully we can start getting going. The weight restrictions did go on in Michigan, which means no full truckloads of concrete. I've got a couple inside epoxy jobs coming up, so stay tuned for that. And I've also got a new electric panel coming for the generator that will make things a lot easier in the future. So we'll be able to run our hopefully big grinder, our 220 grinder, and have some extra 110 plugs on the job site. So stay tuned, everybody. Hopefully the season starts soon. We are finally done with the last piece of equipment, the dump truck. She's washed, waxed, fluid, filters, greased. The only thing it needs is next month when I throw the insurance back on everything, it's got to go down for its annual DOT. But I've got her all cleaned up. She's looking really nice for the season. So that is the last piece of equipment we had to do for the season. YouTube, Monday morning, intricate concrete, middle of March. 2 days ago, 70 degrees. Yesterday, rain and snow showers. But we're getting closer. The weight restrictions are on. Hopefully they'll be off sooner. Hopefully we get some more nice weather. We can get the season started. A lot of rain in the forecast. But we're getting closer. Today, I have 6 interviews. Some finishers, some laborers, guys coming in. Hopefully got some good experience behind them. Hopefully find some guys to fill some positions. And we get some guys who want to work, guys who aren't afraid to work some weekends or more than 8 hours a day. And they can help with us having a good season. I'm not going to record any of the interviews, obviously, because I don't know if these guys are ever going to work here. And I don't want to make them nervous or anything like that. But I will update you guys at the end of the day. So, hoping to find a couple finishers out of the deal. Maybe one good laborer. Who knows? Maybe 3 guys will have finishing ability. Maybe I won't find anybody. But that's the plan for today, guys. Stay tuned. Hopefully, we'll kick off the 25 season sooner than later. We've got an epoxy floor coming up in a week or so. It's going to be a full flake floor on a pole barn. So stay tuned, everybody. I'll keep you guys posted how the interviews go. YouTube, it is now Monday afternoon. Had 6 people come in for interviews. 2 of them I offered employment to, starting in the next couple weeks here when our season gets going. 2 more I put as possible candidates. I have to decide exactly how many positions I'm going to fill. And 2 people were no call, no shows. So that's how things work in the construction world, I guess. We called on Friday to confirm these people's interview times that they were showing up. They said yes, and then they don't call, don't show up. So if you're too lazy or don't care enough to even show up for a job interview, actually it weeds you out for me, because you probably won't be worth a shit as an employee. So overall, I'm happy. The 2 guys that I did offer jobs to had good attitudes, seemed like they wanted to work. Seems like they both have a little bit of experience. So I'm excited. I hope that everything works out well, and I will keep you guys posted. Next project that we have will be the upcoming epoxy floor. So stay tuned, everybody. As always, like, share, subscribe. This is going to be a very busy year, and we'll go from there.